Notice that Affiant is creditor in fact. Your name or organization. Your address. City, state, zip code. Email address. Phone number. Date. 2. Recipient's name or organization. Recipient's address. City, state, zip code. Subject. Formal notice that Affiant is creditor in fact. Dear, recipient's name. Legal basis for this notice. This letter serves as formal notification that the undersigned, hereinafter referred to as Affiant, is the creditor in fact regarding any and all financial, commercial, or legal obligations relating to the matter referenced herein. As creditor in fact, Affiant holds the superior legal and equitable interest over any alleged debtor claims, encumbrances, or third-party assertions. Any contradictory claims must be substantiated with verifiable legal evidence. Affiant is primary creditor. The affiant maintains a vested financial, commercial, or secured interest in the matter and asserts rightful claim as primary creditor. Jurisdiction and authority over debt instruments. Affiant retains lawful control over any financial obligations or securities related to this matter. Rebuttable presumption against opposing claims. Any assertion to the contrary must be supported by clear, legal documentation proving valid standing. Legal consequences of false or misrepresented claims. Any attempt to misrepresent the affiant's standing as creditor in fact may be considered fraudulent and subject to legal enforcement actions. Immediate required actions. Acknowledge affiant's status as creditor in fact. The recipient must recognize the affiant's lawful position and adjust records accordingly. Provide legal proof of any opposing claims. If the recipient disputes this assertion, they must submit verifiable legal evidence supporting their claim. Cease and desist any unlawful assertions of debt or encumbrance. Any attempt to assert opposing financial claims without legal merit must be immediately retracted. Legal consequences for noncompliance. Failure to recognize and adhere to this notice may result in legal challenges and financial liability. Any false claims or failure to recognize affiant's creditor status may result in civil litigation and financial penalties. Liability for fraudulent misrepresentation. Any party falsely asserting a superior claim may be held legally accountable for fraud and financial misrepresentation. Public and legal scrutiny. Any continued misrepresentation of affiant's status may lead to reputational harm, administrative sanctions, and financial damages. This notice serves as official documentation affirming that affiant is the creditor in fact regarding the referenced financial or commercial matter. Any failure to comply with this notice shall be subject to full legal rebuttal and enforcement measures. A response addressing this matter is expected no later than specific date. If further clarification is required, you may contact me at your contact information. Sincerely. Your name. Your position, if applicable. Your organization name, if applicable. Enclosures, list any attached documents,